Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals just like this as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this particular truck or any other truck on our lot with the full description of everything that's on this truck, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're going to show you a brand new arrival, a 2019 Ram 3500 dually with all the bells and whistles on it, guys. Starting on the front, you're going to know the massive front grille, nice chrome look throughout, really stout Ram badging on the front, chrome bumper, as you can see there, with these built-in front sensors for when you're parking in them tight spots, tow hooks down below, just a really cool front bumper. But the most important thing you're going to notice is as close as I get to this truck, you can probably still hear me talk just fine. This is the quietest diesel on the market. Cummins definitely did their homework and stepped their game up a lot when it comes to this new diesel motor. It is extremely quiet. This is the HO 6.7 liter Cummins diesel motor, and it is the baddest motor on the market. On the rims, you're going to notice we got the real nice chrome clad 17-inch rim, wrapped in a real nice 235/80. That's an LT, obviously, tire. You're going to notice the bright red color in this. It has the trailer tow meals. You just flip them up, flip them down. In the bed of this vehicle, in the bed of this truck, you're going to notice we did opt for the stray-in bed liner, as you can see there from the factory. And also another thing we put on this particular vehicle is the max tow package. And the one thing you get with the max tow package is you do get this 30-pound fifth wheel hitch that you can see located in the back. And if it's not something you're going to use every day or use at all, you just simply pops out of the bed, easy to get out, easy to get in. But you do also have your gooseneck hookup in the floor right there in the center of that fifth wheel hitch, down below on the floor. So if you do use a gooseneck, it's definitely awesome to have that max tow package too. You have your built-in plug in the back for your 7-pin. Backup camera, and actually this vehicle does have a full surround camera. I'll show you how that works when we get inside. Backup sensors located on the back bumper just like the front, so when you're backing into them tight spots, you can definitely do so safely. Tow package, as you notice down there below, it does have your 4-pin and your 7-pin wiring hookups located right there. Just an all-around awesome truck, guys. And we keep these in stock. We usually have at least 5 to 6 of them in stock. It seems like they're a very hot commodity, especially when you get them like this that are fairly loaded. Not everybody likes to stock these because they are a little expensive, but we know there is customers like yourself out there that do want this. Hands-free, everything's hands-free, so when you if your keys are in your pocket and the doors are locked, simply grab the handle, the doors will unlock automatically, no problem. If the truck was not running, I could lock the truck just by simply pushing that button right there and walk away with the keys in my pocket. Really nice feature to have. Everything's powered. It does have memory seating for 2 people located right here. It does have power mirrors, as you can see here, and power folding mirrors. I'll show you how those work. Simply push the button, they fold in and out. Obviously power windows and power locks located right here. Power seating with power lumbar. A nice leather seat, as you can see here. It does have some gray piping around the edge with the Laramie badging right there in the center. Automatic overhead headlights. They are already on. Once we get into this truck, man, it has got about every option you can put on it. Starting on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, up top here, you do have the capability of programming your phone directly into this unit. So while you're driving down the road, you can simply answer your cell phone by hitting that button. You carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. Really nice feature to have when it comes to safety. These buttons located right here. All 4 of these buttons are going to operate the instrument cluster, which is located right here in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge over there. Right now, as you can see, it's set on miles per hour, but there's a bunch of stuff you can put it on. It'll show you what radio station the radio's on, trailer tow information, trip information, fuel economy information, your vehicle info, whether it's your tire pressure like it's set on there, your coolant temperature, and a bunch of other stuff that's built inside of there. It's just got a lot of options that are built inside of there. Really nice feature to have. Over here, you're gonna have all your cruise control settings. Located right here. And then you do have the option, if you're towing, to change gears if needed, located right here. On the back hand side of the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you can turn your volume up and down just by on the back here. There's a button for it. And then on the left hand side on the back, you have the option changing the channel with that too. Starting up top here in the center, we do have options for universal garage door openers, so you can program your garage door openers directly into this truck. You no longer have to carry them garage door openers around, up to 3 separate garage doors. As you notice, it does have a factory sunroof located right there in the center. And you do have an assist feature located with this truck, and also an SOS, which I hope you never have to use, but it's there if you need to. Also has a rear power back mirror. Get this located right there, as you can see. And that is a rear defrosted window also. Moving on to probably one of the coolest features of the radio, or this vehicle, is the radio. This is a 12-inch touchscreen radio with about every feature known to mankind you can put inside of a radio. They've figured it out on this one. So it does have AM, FM, XM radio, which it's on XM radio right now. And like I said, it is a 12-inch full touchscreen TV. I call it a TV, it's actually a radio. So on the screen, you can look at a number of different things. You could look at your climate controls, which are located right down here on the bottom, which is going to show you do have your heated seats with 3 settings, high, medium, and low, ventilated seats with 3 settings, high, medium, and low, and then a heated steering wheel. And then obviously the heated passenger and ventilated seats for the passengers over here on this side. Another cool feature this does have, I showed you, it does have the backup camera, but it's actually called a full surround camera, which is a really cool feature. I'll show you. So not only can you see what's just behind you, which is right here, you also over here you have a whole sky view of the whole surrounding of the truck. So when you're backing into them tight spots, or you're just trying to get through one of them tight spots, period, that is an extremely nice feature to have when going down the road. And you can look at the individual ones. You can just look at the back one, just the front one if you wanted. That's the front bumper, believe it or not. And then that's another one of the front bumpers. So it's got a bunch of cool features, and it does also have the it has a cargo camera too, which is shining down in the bed, whether you're backing up onto that 5th wheel or that gooseneck, whatever it may be, or just want to make sure the stuff you have in the back of your bed's still there and not blowing out. You got that option too. So a bunch of cool features that are actually built into this specific radio, just the camera alone. So it also does have capability when it comes to, let me get back here. So we can do like a split screen concept. So I have the radio up top and then navigation down below here. That's a really nice feature. So if you want to watch where you're going, or you can change the bottom down here to your climate control, for example, which is located right there. So there's a bunch of different stuff you can change to. You don't have to leave it on one thing. You can move through to different stuff to however what your preference is in general. It also has, I'll go back to the home screen, make it bigger here. We'll just go along the bottom here. So you do have your dual climate controls, your climate control setting right here, which as you can see, it does have dual climate controls. The driver put in the passenger side. Those can be synced together like they are now, or you can change the passenger wants it a little cooler, you just turn it down, or if you want it back to sync, now they're back together. It does have the auto feature where you set it and forget it. So if it's on 72 right now, the airflow coming out of the vents will speed up and cool down or heat up, whatever it needs to do to make sure the cab stays at that 72 degrees inside the cab. Really nice feature to have. Bunch of different Uconnect apps that are built in here. As you can see, everything that's on the radio is built in here. It does have Wi-Fi hotspot. You got, as you can see, your heated seats button, your heated steering wheel button, ventilated seats buttons for everything, camera buttons, and then you also do have this travel link system, which is really cool. So you can check fuel prices while driving down the road, movie listings at the nearest movie place if you'd like to, sporting events, what current scores are, upcoming games, final scores of other games. You have your weather in your current area, and then you have your weather radar map down here of your current area or the whole United States if you want it, which is a really nice feature to have. Sirius Traffic Plus, so what's going on with the traffic in front of you, you can listen to that on there, that way you can avoid them traffic jams. Bunch of cool stuff that's built into this radio. And like I've showed you, it does have the factory navigation. It also is push button four-wheel drive high and low. And it also is, as I said earlier, push button start and stop. So leave the key in your pocket, simply start it just by doing that. And it does have remote start on this truck also. Factory trailer brake control located right here. You can alternate your trailer height. That is a really cool feature while driving down the road. Exhaust brake, tow haul button, and then this is these two buttons over here for your rear, front and rear park your sensors, like I showed you on the front of the outside. CD player, factory right there. Your auxiliary and USB plugs all located right here. It does have a factory charging port right here for your cell phone. Just push your cell phone down in this little cubby, and it charges it for you. You don't no longer have to carry around your cables to charge it. No matter if it's an iPhone or an Android, it'll charge it directly right there. 115 AC plug located down here too. Bunch of storage throughout here. This can be shut for more storage and cup holders. Center armrest, and under that there's more storage, and then under that there's a bigger storage thing down there. So a bunch of different options for storage in between the front, driver, and passenger seating. And another cool thing with this radio is it does have 17 speaker Harman Kardon stereo system in it. So if you want to rock out, you can definitely do that too. Back seats, same as the front as far as color scheme goes. Obviously, you do have the nice little piping located around the outside right there. Really nice feature. You have the option of folding these out, as you can see, like that, all the way across if you need to store stuff inside. Also have a center cup holder with armrest located right there. 115 AC plug located right there. Heated rear seats. And then obviously your USB plugs located right there, right above your 115 AC plug right there. Also, we do have child safety hooks built into this truck, so the two outside seats you can safely and securely fasten down a car seat if need be. And there's many more options that I'm sure I missed out on this thing. Like I said, guys, it's fully loaded. 2019 Ram 3500 heavy duty with just every option you could ever want on a truck, from the 6.7 liter extremely quiet HO turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, chrome all the way around on the front bumper, surround count cameras, navigation, sunroof, 12-inch radio, max tow package, which is going to give you a bunch of features that is built into there, gooseneck, fifth wheel, and the list goes on and on. If you're more interested in this vehicle and want to see a full description of everything that's in, because I'm sure I missed some stuff, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And hit that like button on, or our subscribe button, either or both, on YouTube, so you can be sure you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as it hits the lot. And for the guaranteed best price on any heavy duty truck, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.